I count. 3, 2, 1, here we go! Woohoo! So Dr. Neeta, over to you. The stage is all yours.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me here. Is the media having a very good time? Yes, we are. We are very excited to know about your thoughts on the new mango flavor, which is specially for India. But before that, we are going to deep dive into a discussion on a very, very important topic, that is gut health. Gut is one of the most neglected organs in India, but after COVID-19 and during COVID-19 also, the gut took center stage. So we are honored, thrilled, and privileged to have you with us, Sanya. And before I begin, big congratulations for your outstanding performances, Dangal, Badhai Ho, Sam Bahadur, and of course now Mrs., which is finding its way to the Australian premiere in the Indian Film Festivals in Melbourne in August 24. So big round of applause for that. So we are really honored. You do India proud. Thank you. So we have spoken, and my first question is to you. Simply put, life is not as simple as it was, say, 10 years back, or even 15 or 20 years back. Today is fast-paced, we have erratic work schedules, we have erratic sleep cycles, poor nutrition, sedentary lifestyle, lack of sleep, we have pollution and immense stress. And all of this has actually taken toll on the gut. The gut is very negatively impacted. During COVID, we also recognized the importance of the gut because, there was a lot of buzzword around immunity. And we realized that one way of boosting your immunity was also by keeping your gut healthy, especially because 70% of the body's immune system is located in the gut. So what are your measures to keep the gut healthy, Sanya?
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for coming, and thank you, Yakul. I'm really looking forward to our collaboration. I love the brand and I use the product since I was a kid. A few things that I do to keep my gut healthy and my health healthy is I eat a lot of vegetables. I eat a lot of fruits. Have a very active lifestyle. I work out. I play tennis, so I'm quite active that way, and I eat a lot of healthy food, like a lot of home cooked food. And also okay, I've lost the train of thought.
Balanced diet, basically.
Yeah, a lot of balance in my diet, and sleep is crucial for me. So the days when I don't sleep properly, whether it's because of a shoot or if I'm traveling, I can see a direct impact on my gut. Like those are the days when I feel like, okay, I can feel it, my gut isn't that happy. But I'm so glad that a lot of people are talking about how important gut health is, because everything is linked to our gut. Not only our physical health, but also our mental health. The days when I'm not feeling top notch, I know there's something going on in my gut. If I'm nervous, again, I can feel it in my gut. The days when I'm okay, I have a gut feeling that this is going to be good. So you can see, we say it often we have gut feeling, but it's a sign itself that everything is linked to a happy gut.
That's nice. So that's the brain talking to the gut.
Right.
Coming to your Manu-san, in India, it's always been about the heart, liver, kidney, diabetes, cancer. And the gut, which is central to all of this, has been highly neglected. How do you think in the last 17 years, the Indian consumer has taken to gut health?
Okay, recently the awareness of the gut has been growing, and also the people are recognizing that the benefits of the provide excellent gut is that improve digestion, build immunity. Those people thinking it's very important in the daily life.
So gut health is becoming quite important even in India today. So now when I talk about the gut is incomplete without what we know now, what we call as bacteria. Well, bacteria was believed to be harmful, cause disease, but today we know that we have 100 trillion bacteria in the gut. They weigh almost 2 kilograms, and we have the good, the bad, and the ugly. It is the good bacteria in the gut which are probiotic, and they are the ones which help in digestion of food to break it into smaller particles for better absorption of nutrients. These bacteria also play a very important role in building your immunity. They can actually influence insulin resistance and metabolic disorders, and now we know that they are linked to mental health. So how were you introduced to the concept of probiotics, and have you been including probiotics as a part of your diet?
Yes, since childhood I've been having Yakult, the original one, and now sometimes I have the light, which is the blue Yakult bottle. Love the mango one too, because mango is one of my favorite fruits. In fact, as I said, like on really stressful and chaotic shoot schedules, I make sure that my fridge is stocked with Yakult, and especially in my vanity van, because even my team is obsessed with Yakult. We are not kidding. Like, I think I kind of manifested this collaboration with the brand because I was shooting for Jawan. This is 2 years back, and I made a reel with Yakult bottle. That is kind of my morning routine, to have Yakult, and especially on shoots. So we buy that, we stock up our fridge with it, and I've seen a great difference whenever I'm quite mindful about what's going on in my gut now. I wasn't like a few years back. And I was kind of oblivious to, why am I feeling like this? And now I know that a lot of things is linked with how and what you're feeding, and how it manifests into like good health or bad mood swings or good feelings. I think it's all interlinked.
To the gut.
Yeah.
So since when have you been consuming Yakult?
Since I was a kid.
Yeah.
In school I used to have Yakult. As I said, I have switched to the Yakult Light, which has less sugar, and I'll be incorporating the mango one too, because it's one of my favorites. Yeah, and I also have achar. It has a lot of probiotics in it. So anything that like is really good for the gut, I make sure that I incorporate in my lunch or my dinner and my meals.
So fermented foods and then probiotics.
Yes.
Okay, great. So nice to know that you've been introduced to Yakult, I think, forever.
And also I've lived in Japan.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've lived in Japan for almost 2 years. My father used to work there, so
Oh,
I've
really?
spent a really good chunk of my childhood in Japan. And that is one of the reasons I was introduced to Yakult. And
Lovely.
there's also a product that you only get in Thailand, which is a big bottle of Yakult. Like, we don't get that in India. We only have the tiny ones. But I also, whenever I travel, I make sure that I buy the big bottle
Big
of
bottle of Yakult.
because I usually I end up having like more than 2.
You can actually.
Yes, that's it, right?
So Manu-san, what was the idea? Of course, we have Yakult Light, and now Yakult Mango flavor. But what was the real objective of introducing a flavor, to the probiotic?
Yes, actually, that I strongly believe that the benefits of the things, that efficacy and the benefits of probiotics, and we'd like to have the opportunity to consume Yakult, taking the lactobacillus caseistrains through as many as people. So the mango flavor is one of the very good option to expand this great product to the more people in India.
I think maybe because also we wanted to become a part of the daily diet,
Yes.
and a nice mango flavor, tangy mango flavor would just do justice to that. I
Also
think.
with vitamin D and vitamin E.
Yes, in Yakult Light. This one also has lesser sugar.
Right.
So it has all its benefits along with vitamin D and vitamin E. So we know now that the gut, during COVID we heard of the gut-lung axis, we hear about the gut-liver axis, we hear about the gut-skin axis. So the gut is basically
Gut
controlling.
skin, yes, for
Yes,
sure.
yes, the gut skin. It's beautiful inside out. That's what. So what about the gut-brain axis? There's a lot of talk about the gut-brain axis. Have you heard about that?
I'm not an expert, but I can feel it when my gut
So you can
isn't
actually
feeling that
feel the
great.
butterflies in your stomach,
Yes.
and that is when your brain is talking to the gut. But this is not a joke. Actually, there is something called the gut-brain axis. So the gut and the brain are linked through what is known as the vagus nerve. It is the longest nerve of the human body.
Right.
So the health of the brain decides the health of the gut and vice versa. And like we have neurotransmitters in the brain, we also have neurotransmitters which are produced by the probiotic bacteria in the gut. So look at your serotonin, which is your happy hormone, or GABA, which controls fear and anxiety. All of these are produced by the probiotic bacteria in the gut. And then they transmit through the nerve to the brain and cause peace, happiness, or anxiety and depression. So there is something called the gut-brain connection.
Right.
Do you feel it?
Yeah, often.
Yeah.
So, Yakult for the good ecosystem.
For the good ecosystem. And Yakult has a lot of scientific data, more than 100 human studies across the globe in different populations and India, where we know that Yakult helps to improve digestion, build immunity. But there was a study which was done in Japan on medical students, which tells us that consumption of Yakult can actually reduce stress. So Manu-san, would you like to throw light on that?
Yes, actually that medical student which before the examination of the things that actually that lots of stress that is the causes diarrhea, constipation, that things, and daily intake of Yakult for 8 weeks, and that reduce their stress and regulate the
Cortisol.
hormones.
Yeah. So